How to remove account restriction on Facebook. So if you want to remove the account restriction on Facebook, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your Facebook. Under Facebook, go with the upper right, which has that three bat icon. Go with the profile. Under profile, go with the three dots, which is on the right side. And here you will have the profile status, right? Tap on the profile status. Once you're on the profile status, now you just need to simply swipe right. And if you violated something, like if you violated the community guidelines or the standards, then you will have the account restriction right here. So if you get the account restriction here, then what you need to do, and again go back and then go with the settings, which is on the upper right. And under settings, you need to simply scroll down, go with see more in account center. Once you're here, go with the personal details, go with identity confirmation, and now choose your Facebook, and then go with confirm your identity. And you can simply choose an option of protect your account, which is on the bottom of your screen. And you can turn on your two-factor authentication and do your identity confirmation. Once you've done, your restriction will be removed. Or if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back and then go with help and support and tap on report a problem, and again tap on continue to report a problem, and then you need to report your problem to Facebook and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can remove account restriction on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.